Transform your Minecraft slumber into a personalized masterpiece by learning how to proudly display a banner atop your bed. First things first, you'll need a banner to craft one. Gather 6 wool of the same color and 1 stick from your survival inventory. Arrange them in your crafting table like this. Once you have your banner, it's time to get creative and design it. With your banner in hand, open your crafting table again. You'll notice a new interface for banner customization. Here, you can apply different dyes to change the base color of your banner. Click on a dye, then click on the banner to apply it, but that's just the beginning. You can also add a variety of patterns using special loom patterns. For example, you can use a skull emblem to create a fearsome design, or a flower to add a touch of nature. Experiment with different combinations of dyes and patterns to create a truly unique banner that reflects your style. The more ingredients you use, the more intricate your banner can become. Now that your masterpiece is complete, it's time to place it on your bed. Head over to your bed in the game, whether it's in your cozy cottage or your underground base. Hold the banner you just crafted in your main hand, then carefully right-click on the head of your bed. And there you have it. Your custom-designed banner is now proudly displayed on your Minecraft bed, adding a personal touch to your sleeping quarters and showcasing your creativity. This simple customization can make your base feel even more like home. Happy building and happy sleeping.